My respectful audience, you look at the paddy field. This paddy field looks very beautiful, natural color. It's a green and very beautiful weather. I am very happy for this moment because I am practicing everywhere from new word, also create with new sentences. Now actually it's winter time. Winter first time somewhere come ferry. It's very beautiful moment for our farmers and village people, very exciting for this moment. Everybody, we can practice every day some word and sentence. Thanks to all.